Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax in Clearwater with another boating tip for you. Today I'm privileged to be here with Joey Sharpe again, Senior Product Manager of Sea Ray Boats. And we're aboard this beautiful SLX 260 Outboard. But not only does this come in an outboard, we can also get this in the IO, right?
That's right. So we currently make this boat in two variants. This is the outboard that we're on, and then we make the SLX 260, which is a stern drive. What that gives you is more of a platform, and you can also get an optional manual swim step, which will actually fold out into the water. The benefits of that are more water space, or more interaction with the water and those who are in the water. And then with the outboard, you get to extend your season. You get to be able to get into shallower water. And when I say extend your season, that means if you winterize your stern drive and you go and you want to use it on a really nice day, you can't, because you don't want to spend that extra money. With an outboard, you can drop it down, run out, come in, drain it, flush it, and you're ready to go.
I don't know what you're talking about winterizing and all that stuff down here.
Well, you know, we do sell boats outside of Florida.
Oh, okay.
A few.
I thought we sold them all here at Clearwater. So,
yeah.
As you guys know, down here, west coast of Florida, pretty much in Florida, it's mostly going to be outboards. There's other videos out there that we've done about the ease of maintenance on an outboard, from checking your oil that's up here on the top. You got the flush caps down here on the side, the engine trim, and all that. So whether it's IO or outboard, you can't go wrong. So what else you got to say there, Joey?
Yeah, so if you want to learn more about this boat, or if you want to build your own, you can visit us at searay.com. Or if you want to find some inventory with MarineMax, you can go onto their website at marinemax.com. I appreciate you having me, Captain Keith.
You're welcome, buddy. So good seeing you again. And we're going to have more boating tips live, more boating tips, and other things coming your way. So stay tuned. See you on the water.